Ever wondered about the intrigue that surrounds Rust programming? Perhaps you've heard of it, maybe even dabbled a bit, but now you're curious to delve deeper and truly understand the language. Well, you're in the right place. Welcome to a comprehensive guide to learning Rust programming language. First things first, what is Rust? Rust is a modern system programming language that runs blazingly fast, prevents seg faults, and guarantees thread safety. It's multi-threaded without being overly complex, and maintains memory safety without needing a garbage collector. Sounds impressive, right? Now how about getting hands-on with it? Step 1. Familiarize yourself with Rust. Rust, like any other language, has its syntax and rules. Before plunging into coding, get a feel for the language. Try to understand its unique features and how it stands apart from other languages. Step 2. Set up your development environment. You can download the Rust compiler and other tools directly from the official Rust website. It's a straightforward process, but it's a crucial step to get started. Step 3. Start coding. Don't worry about building something big right off the bat. Start small. Write a simple program. Play around with variables, functions, and control flow. The key here is practice. The more you code, the more comfortable you'll become with Rust. Step 4. Get your hands dirty with the Rust standard library. It's packed with useful functions and data structures. Understanding the standard library will make your life as a Rust programmer easier. Step 5. Explore concurrency in Rust. One of the key features of Rust is its support for concurrent programming. Delve into threads, locks, and channels. This will give you a taste of the real power of Rust. Step 6. Build something. Once you're comfortable with the basics, it's time to put your skills to the test. Build a small project. It could be anything, a command line tool, a web server, or even a game. This will help you understand how everything you've learned comes together. Finally, Step 7. Join the Rust community. Rust has a vibrant and welcoming community. Participate in discussions, ask questions, share your projects. This will not only help you grow as a programmer, but also keep you updated with the latest developments in Rust. So, what's the scope of Rust? Rust is a versatile language. You can use it to write system software, game engines, browsers, and even operating systems. It's gaining popularity for its efficiency and safety features. Big tech companies like Mozilla and Dropbox are already using Rust in their code bases. Plus, Rust has been voted the most loved language by developers in the Stack Overflow Developer Survey for 5 consecutive years. In summary, learning Rust requires a good understanding of its syntax, a well-set-up development environment, lots of practice, and active participation in the Rust community. Its scope is vast, from system software to web development, and it's loved by developers worldwide. So, take the plunge and start your journey with Rust today. With patience and persistence, you'll find that the Rust programming language is a powerful tool in your programming arsenal.